Along with a built-in gas grill, many opt to purchase additional cooking appliances for their outdoor kitchen. Don't limit yourself to just a gas grill. If you love fresh baked pizza as much as I do, installing a pizza oven in your outdoor kitchen is a great way to make pizza night an instant family tradition. In addition to a standard side burner, many people enjoy the increased heat output of a power burner. These are great for making stocks, boiling a large batch of seafood, or keeping messy things like frying outdoors. For even more cooking versatility, a flat-top griddle is another excellent addition for cooking things like crispy bacon breakfast or hibachi-style meals in your backyard. Steaks also come out delicious on the griddle with a beautiful all-over sear. If you love having that classic smoky flavor on your food, you may want to consider installing a charcoal grill or kamado for that old-school flavor. We have found our customers love pairing kamados with their gas grill because of the versatility they bring. Their insulated, oven-like design makes them not only work well as a charcoal grill, but they also make incredible smokers for low and slow cooking. Most would be surprised to know you can even bake cookies in a kamado. If you want an easy way to smoke food without having to load a grill with charcoal, electric smokers can also be a great cooker to consider building into your island.